Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pillai Center practice. I'm making this video because now, from our isolation, our self-isolation, we all need to start thinking abundant thoughts. So what happens when we're all scared and, we have the coronavirus crisis? Yes, it is a serious thing, but we can rebuild our wealth right now with the help of one planet, planet Venus. So Venus is now very strong. So if you don't know me, I'm Lalitha Donatella Ribac, and I am a Vedic astrologer and also a Pillai Center teacher. So I make these videos for you so you can do something practical right now to drop the fear. It's not easy, but we can do that. Especially collectively, we need to think about bringing back to hope and beauty to the world. So we can do that. And Venus is going to support us because Venus will be in Taurus until the end of July, which is a long time for Venus because Venus moves very quickly, very fast. In less than a month, it moves to another sign. But this time, because of a retrograde, etc., Venus will remain in Taurus until July 31st. That is an incredibly long time for Venus. So what does it mean? Venus in Taurus brings wealth. It's the second house, the natural second house of the zodiac, which means wealth, means family, means accumulating a lot of money, a lot of beauty, artwork, jewelry, gems. Maybe it's the time for you to invest in gold. I'm not a financial advisor, but still. Venus says these things. You can buy gold, you can buy gems, you can, rebuild your wealth, and also find new ways of bringing beauty and improve your relationships. So Venus in Taurus makes you more attached to family members and also in your relationship. So we don't just give up so quickly. So that gives an intelligence of good relationships, beauty again, and artworks. So you can paint, bring back the divine into your life. It's more needed than ever. So we become very materialistic when we're too busy doing our, work, etc. So it's the time to think of that God is there, and we have forgotten, but we have a lot of help coming if we remember. So you can chant the mantra for Venus. The Venus mantra, many of you already know, but it's always good to remember. Chant Om Shukraya Namaha. Om Shukraya Namaha. So when you chant Om Shukraya Namaha 108 times, your thoughts will shift from fear, poverty thinking, to wealth, abundance, start, bringing back to growing your money and doing some new work that you really like. Okay, so I hope this helps. Wear white or pink, and see you soon.